Employee Assessment Plan Proposal by Shayla M. Morin. Goals. The intention of a formal performance meeting should always be with positive intentions. It is an opportunity to motivate employees with rewards and recordable recognition, as well as give them an update on how their performance is being perceived. This is also an excellent one-on-one time in order to discuss any areas that can be improved upon and build a game plan moving forward that will help the employees perform better. This should be done before any planned legal disciplinary actions are taken. The method I propose is a graphic rating scale. This type of evaluation lists traits required for the job and asks the source to rate the individual on each attribute. Judging employees on their behavior on top of their work performance is a healthy practice for most organizations, specifically ones that often put its employees face to face with customers. Behavior is the face of the organization and can sway repeat customers or decide whether or not that customer will recommend your company in the future. Phase 1. Determine how frequently your company should be holding appraisals. Because this company has 25 employees and plans on expanding further, a wide span of control would be the most effective due to the amount of human capital resource that goes into each and every employee assessment. Phase 2. Can we maximize our time? This is also a very convenient time to consider what else can be lumped into this professional meeting with your employee. Are they eligible for a pay increase? Have they reached a company milestone and should be recognized? Now's the time. 360 reviews. These are the type of options that I would suggest for our situation. We could ask a customer to fill out a short, manageable, relevant information if employees work directly with them, asking them to fill out a questionnaire. We could ask employees to fill out self-assessment surveys. Not always the most reliable, but we could. Ask employees to rate each other on topics directly related to the job performance, not personal opinions. Because there is no prior system set up, the wisest option would be one that is easiest to complete, quick in order to prevent employees from worrying, and ease for assessors to process quickly. Who should evaluate their performance? Ideally, you would want your head manager to be present for all aspects of this process. In our case, because the manager is not always available for in-person meetings, one done electronically over video and audio live meetings through a popular business application like Zoom are popular options. However, if this option is also unreliable for any reason, there are other options we can test out. Here I would suggest we allow the employees to rate themselves using a specific information gathering questionnaires. All options come with their own lists of pros and cons. On the following slide, I will provide a sample of each option. Here we have a graphic that designs manager/supervisor, self, peer, customer/client, and subordinate ratings, and the advantages and disadvantages of each one. Timeline. This is important. This should be carried out all at once. The entire two-building company within the same relative time frame of each year. Keeps your head in the game. It should take roughly 50.5 hours for one manager to complete all 25 employee appraisals, excluding the time it takes to create, announce, explain, and allow for questions about this entire new process. Here are my references. Thank you very much for your time.